Give me your proposal.
Okay, maybe the same with our purpose to for
Yeah, that's fine.
we make collaboration maybe.
Okay.
And then it's like PW in Indonesia in Jakarta.
PW in Indonesia.
Jakarta,
Yeah,
because
Indonesia.
when we unify our team and many interesting from our friend, our member, and Dr. Ella member, Dr. Ali member, in all conference in Indonesia, then interesting to study in PW.
Okay, so do you mean that, okay, number one, there are policies from CHED
No, okay.
where PW can do it.
No.
So we have to study the policies of CHED. No one can just do it unless we have permission from CHED.
Oh, okay.
That's number one. So I think the first thing we have to do is get permission.
Get permission.
Yeah, but permission from CHED, there are many requirements.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, like, I don't know if you want to have, what is that, collaboration, or you will call it PW Indonesia, PW Indonesia, but who will be responsible for the name PW Indonesia? Who is responsible?
Maybe the structure is from here.
Yeah.
We just help the management in Indonesia to collect the student and then how to they study in here with the blended learning.
And then where will the classes be held?
Maybe the same with us with blended learning,
Blended learning.
and then maybe when one of one unit, one of us or management can be teacher, and the other from here. Of course, the professor from here.
Okay. Actually, does it mean that you are going to have one room in Indonesia and then say PW Indonesia? Maybe,
It's okay if maybe
I do not know whether, because of the rules of CHED.
Oh, okay.
What Dr. B, okay, let me say, what Dr. B did was he was the only one who was collecting, okay, and then he would manage the students for a fee, but actually I did not pay Dr. B.
Oh, yeah.
Dr. B helped PW without getting a single centavo
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
PW. Yeah. So in fairness to Dr. B,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
did not get money from PW. It was out of education that he really wanted to help Indonesian students.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and when I asked him, why did you collect? Because I think he was collecting how many rupiahs?
1 peso is 300.
Yeah, but I don't know. But because the tuition fee of PW is about 280,000 to 300,000.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But I think he collected from you only one half, 50%. And I asked him, why are you doing that? I said, the tuition fee is like this. You collect from the Indonesians one half. Where will you get the one half?
Oh, yeah.
And Dr. B said, this one half will earn money. When it earns interest, it can pay for the tuition fee of the student.
Oh.
That is his plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it failed.
Yeah.
It failed.
Yes.
So, I mean, I'm saying that in fairness to Dr. B.
Yeah.
He is not a bad person.
Yeah.
He's not a bad person. He wanted to help Indonesians to get the doctoral degree.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. In fairness to him.
Yes.
Okay, but of course, I said, you should not have done that.
Mhm.
Because where will you get? You collect this one, where will you get this part?
Yeah.
And then he said, the money here will earn interest to pay for the student. Because he wanted to help government have more PhD.
Yes, yes.
So that's what happened.
Yeah.
But I have not, after that, I have not talked to him anymore.
Yeah.
This is what we do, actually. If you want, the three of you can organize. What I propose with other Indonesian students is in all our negotiations, let's say the tuition fee is 30,000, let's say, 30,000. What we do is, we make a memorandum of agreement.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the memorandum of agreement, we add 3,000 or 4,000.
Oh.
Yeah.
The 3,000, we give it to the person who
Mhm.
manages it.
Oh, yeah.
So for example, the tuition fee,
Mhm.
if it is 30,000, let's say, assuming 30,000,
Mhm.
you pay PWU, we charge plus 3,000.
Okay.
So therefore, the receipt from PWU is 33,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now this one, it goes to the Indonesian.
Oh, okay.
That's what I do. But it is so small.
Yeah.
3,000 is how much? How many rupiah?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's- yeah.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, only how much? Very, very little for one student.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we do.
Mhm.
Yeah. Because I don't know whether there are many requirements if you have an office there.
Mm.
There are many requirements. Now, if you have more students, you can tell me now. I can propose. If we can have, lang kaya natin ito na 5,000 per student. Kasi every term, okay. Dr. B was supposed to receive, 3,000. But never, PWU never gave him money.
Mm.
I tell you,
Yeah.
that's why he's not a bad person. Now, I promised Dr. B to give 3,000, but PWU did not give him. Okay, because he did not collect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how good he is,
Yeah.
Yes.
But of course, now I do not know with you whether you can have 30,000 plus how much you want.
Mm.
Because you're 3 here. I do not know. Ito, that is what, But also, starting this term, we don't anymore offer 4 subjects. No more. We only offer
You're very
Tiga.
Oh.
Only 3 subjects.
The subject. Oh.
Yeah. So if I have something like this, kung hindi sila education, hindi sila na-budget. Swerte, lucky. Oo. Okay. So, first term, let's say, first term, second term, third term. So, 3 subjects,
Oh,
3 subjects only.
when we fall.
Yeah,
Yes,
very
yes,
lucky.
Very lucky.
Yeah.
That's why you graduate.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Ched, yun ang dalawin
Oh,
nila.
now 3.
Yeah, only
Yeah.
3. Okay, and then 3. So that
What
is,
method?
that is
Yeah.
27 units. 3.
Oh.
So, and then, fourth term, another 3. Okay, so that's 30. Another term, another 3. So that will be already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is already ito. 45 na ito eh.
Sige mo na po yan.
Pwede na natin itong huli isa. Okay. Pwede na apat.
Oh,
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4. Okay. And then 5. So if you look at it, that will be 27. This is 4 plus 3, 7, 21. So you have a total of 48. 48 units.
Yes,
Yeah. And then the student get the WCE and get the comprehensive exam.
Comprehensive.
Yeah. And you finish it in 3 years.
3 years, yes.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Even so that, because if you finish it earlier, like I do not know with you, so people will say you are not good.
Yeah.
People will say you are not good.
Yeah.
So the CHED now is 3, and then 4. That's subject
The
4.
last is 4.
Or you can have 4 here, whichever is 4. And then you can start your WC and then write your dissertation. You can finish up to here.
Yeah.
Here. Here, you can finish here.
3 years.
Yeah. So almost 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2, 3. In fact, if it's semester, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, yeah,
Very good. Very good. But, okay, but the tuition fee, because Indonesians, okay, they cannot afford to have very high tuition fee.
Actually, our purpose is not commercial too, because
Yeah, I know.
we need to helping our friend interesting and follow us to studying here.
I know.
And then we can be facilitator for
Yeah,
them.
that's
Yeah.
right. So I do not know how you will be able to earn money from this. Very little, Ali. Because only 3,000, or I can ask for 4,000
Yeah.
per student. I can do that. I can do that, increase the tuition.
It's okay.
Yeah. I can
It's
negotiate.
okay. Maybe Dr. Ali
We
have
only
just help.
my friend
Yeah.
To your continue.
from Indonesia to
Yeah, if you want, you can, I can have a MOA.
Yeah.
And then after first term,
Yeah.
you get your commission. Second term, they pay, you get your money. Every term.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how about the processing about the visa student and like us.
Okay, now government very, very corrupt. Before, remember, 14,000 ordinary. But now if you have fast track before, plus 11,000.
Yeah.
So that's 25, right? Now, no, they do not like. They want now plus 16,000. So now fast track is 30,000.
Yeah.
Very, very expensive, you know. Sobra. And then the NBI. You know, NBI, how much do you pay?
How much you?
NBI maybe like 150 pesos only.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I had one Indonesian student, fast track, paid 5,000 pesos.
Oh yeah.
I said, that's too expensive. 150 paid 5,000 pesos for NBI. Because everyone wants fast track.
Yeah.
But I am just afraid. I'm just afraid. Now, Indonesia, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, but the Chinese, important. Hindi yan. Oh, ito na kay Luto. Okay. Oh, sinugot lang? Oh, ayan sila Abin. Wala pa?
Iya.
Yung akin. Yung aking fountain pen was handwriting tayo. This is the bill yeah, not
Oh.
yet. I
Oh,
went
it's okay,
yeah. So, still have to be signed by the president.
Be patient to wait.
Patient.
It's a okay.
So I do not know what your plans. Ina, pakisabi naman kay Ruben, pwede na kumulit. Wala, para bahay pa. Oh, okay. So what do you think? What are your plans, you know?
Maybe because this our management for that thing about this under management too.
Yeah, but this one, this student visa depends on the student. You cannot collect them. You have to tell them. But it is changing because
Yeah.
You know that.
it's changing, you
It's
know.
our experience.
You cannot say,
It's
okay,
very-
maybe next time they ask 35,000.
Yeah.
I do not know.
I'm sorry, this my government and visa student, this federal okay, to the possible.
Oh yeah.
Come again?
Again, I can say that.
If the government is like the same with position Dr. Ella, they cannot stay in Philippines in long term.
That's why I
Yes, yes.
It is good, but you know, that's why you do not stay long here.
Yeah.
Okay, because Chinese stay here.
Oh.
But the requirement of chair, you cannot get the card.
Oh.
If you're a lecturer,
Yeah.
they will not give you a card. the Philippine government will not give you a certificate for authentication and verification. So I do not know whether the Indonesian government will accept only your diploma and your transcript of it. If there is no CAB, I cannot do anything anymore.
Yeah.
Naintindihan, no? The Chinese, they stay here. So automatically, that's why the Indonesian government is different from the Chinese government. While you are here, when you go home, fast track your equivalency. Because the next Indonesians, I'm not sure what will happen.
Because duty 1 year, 20 days.
I know.
Yeah,
That's right.
A year, in a year.
1 year. Yeah, in government, yeah. That's why I'm not sure. Now I know if Ali, is you are powerful, then go to the government, get already your equivalency. But yeah,
He have powerful.
if you're powerful, do it. Like Rashidi, Muhammad Rashidi is government also. He can do that. If you're powerful. But if you're not powerful, I don't know how the Indonesian government will also accept you. Because in China, all the students stay here.
They stay like, some even stay 500 days.
More than so.
Yes,
That's why.
Yeah.
I have to tell you this. That's why I always take care of all our students. Yes, different. China different. Indonesian different. I just, and then the Chinese I ask $300. Indonesian I only ask $250. It is cheap in the Philippines because in another school acceptance $1,000. Every month $500. PWU very cheap, $250. So talagang it's
Thank you.
that's what we do. So I do not know, because if we have an office in Indonesia, I don't think the president will, because there are many documents that will have to be prepared. If the people trust you, if the people trust you,
Yeah.
then you can put them together.
Yeah.
And the principal, we agree with that. We recommend, it's the recommend for the MOU.
Yeah.
And then the basic for how to make business not commercial to just facilitator to
Yeah.
helping our friends.
But of course, maybe you can sayang. This one is sayang. If you can get something like this, yeah. But it's not that big, That's why somebody was telling me, how come very cheap in the Philippines? Because our tuition fees also low.
Yeah.
So we're not expensive. Yes, Indonesia, of course, we cannot do that. Yeah. The agent, the agent in China, do you know how much they ask?
So much.
1 million pesos.
For
They
every
ask for every student.
student. One student.
1 million.
One student.
How much is that, Ali, in rupiah?
Yeah.
1 million pesos.
It's too much.
Three.
3 million.
3 million, yeah?
3 million rupiah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, million.
No, not 3 million. 1 million pesos.
1 million peso. Kali 300 is 300 million.
300 million.
Yeah, 300 million.
300 million.
Yeah, 300. That
Yeah.
is what the Chinese
The
are
Indonesian
getting.
300 juta.
Yeah, 100 million.
300 million.
For that's only one
One
student.
student.
Wow.
Many students come, Chinese. The agent gets
Very
so
rich
much
for the
money.
agent.
Yeah. I follow you.
And then that's why, Ali, they are so angry
Yeah.
because it's the agent making the money.
Yeah.
Because we do not, the agent only pay us what you're paying.
Yeah.
Only $300. You are $250, they $300. The other money the agent gets. Dean Shirley knows that.
I have also many Chinese students. You can see a while ago there are
Yeah.
many Chinese students here.
but we are very clean
Yeah.
with our expenses.
Yeah.
Okay na.
Ada yang mau sampaikan lagi? Okay, Prof, maybe next is talk about MOU maybe.
Yeah. Maybe MOU. I can make a schedule, a schedule of how much to pay. And then, but we will charge, for example, 30, and then you get 3, you get 34,000,
Yeah.
33,000. So this one goes,
Yeah.
for example, Ando.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I made like this. I made a collaboration with Ando. Ando, I give you 3,000. Yes, Dr. Yang. But next month, the president of Budi Luhur came. Budi Luhur said, I do not want this, I want one scholarship,
Yeah.
which is actually equivalent. So I asked Ando, what will we do? That's your boss. Your boss does not need this because Ando said he will get it. Right? That's my collaboration with Ando. But the president come, no, I don't like this one. The scholarship.
Yeah.
But if you compute it, it's the same.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
the same.
That's it.
Okay. But what will I say? Ando, what can you say? Your president wants. Oh, okay. One scholarship. Because the first scholarship is Ando. He is free. And then now, he will always come to me, Doctor, where's my commission? But we give another scholarship
Yeah,
because
scholarship.
I'm now talking with the president. He said,
Yeah.
it's okay, Dr. Yang. So, I give it now to the boss,
Yeah.
not to Ando.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's how we
Yeah.
do. We are all very fair,
Yeah.
but
transparent.
we have to,
Transparent.
transparent. We do not do something that is not okay.
Thank you so much for it's very clear.
Very
and-
clear now.
And we can maybe have the next step.
Yeah.
About that.
Now, you can tell me under whose name. Is it all the three or is it only Ali? Ali's
Maybe
name.
Dr. Ali.
Yeah, and Doctor. Oh yeah,
The name
Doctor
in the-
Ali. I'm sorry. Dr. Ali. Okay. So